Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to get your Albert Investing monthly statement. If you don't have an Albert account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $150. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for account located at the upper right part of the screen. Click on Account. Under Account, you will see several tabs. Click on the tab that says Documents. On this tab, you will see a section for Albert Investing. Under Albert Investing is an option for monthly statements. Click on Monthly Statements. Then here, you will see the list of your Albert Investing monthly statement. However, in this video, we do not have available monthly statement. But that's how you get your Albert Investing monthly statement. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.